Hello everyone, and today I'll be teaching you how to do effects in Unity post-processing. This is the third video in the series of our tutorial, so go check the previous videos in the cards. First, we're going to start with the bloom. Bloom will basically make bright areas glow. Allow me to show you. We're going to add the bloom effect. We're going to increase the intensity, and there you go. Bright areas in our scene will glow more and more. And you can use the threshold to make how much the area should be bright in order for the bloom to be applied. And you can use the scatter to control how the glow will be spread around the light. Of course, you are allowed to control the colors as well. Bloom actually support dirty textures. Dirt textures simply you can allow to apply effects on the camera lens itself. This can be used in like raining or area that can have areas on the lens. A cool thing about the bloom effect that you can make individual light glow different. So I want this cylinder here to glow on itself. We're going to go to the material. We're going to enable emission to use the HDR color. And we can simply increase the intensity of it. Increasing the intensity in our HDR color make the game object glow separately from all our scene, giving you more effects to use in a bloom. Our next effect is chromatic aberration. This will simply split the red, green, blue channels on the edges of the camera. Allow me to show you. As you can see, there are some effects like the red, green, blue are now split instead of being all together. This can get to a good effect, same as drunk or something like that. Next we will have the film grain. Film grain will simply allow you to add the classic old TV noise as an effect in your game. The post-processing in URP supports many types, but you can also use custom types if you want to. As you can see, these type of noise were actually exist in the classic TV in the old days. You can make them here as an effect in your game. Next we will have the vignette. We did mention vignette before as a simple example, but we're going to mention it again because it gives a very good opportunities to make greater effect in your game. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and would like to see you next time.